Hey, welcome back to Feed My Starving Americans. I'm Andrew, and we have an exciting bit of news. We are ready to launch version 1.0 of our difference meal. Thank you to everybody who volunteered to be a taste tester for the meal. We had a very good amount of success among kids and adults alike. I think we had about an 85% success rate among kids and 100% success rate among adults. And with the sort of talks of recession in the economy coming up, and just uncertainty about food, we identified this is a good time to launch version 1.0 of our meal. And then we will come up with additional things later as we go. But I want to show you that recipe now. All right, I got my 6 cups of water to a ball, like they say in Louisiana, because I was down there for a bit. All right, there we go. Woo-wee, look at those chives. Oh my goodness. This is so exciting. Give it a little stir. All right, well, there it is. So go ahead and buy those ingredients if you'd like from Amazon, and you can pack these meals for yourself or you can give them away to friends. And the idea with the difference meal is really for everybody. We actually plan to incorporate this into our diet because it's such an easy thing to make and it's a affordable option to eat food. So if that's you, maybe this is for you. And then we hope to just continue to be responsive to needs in the communities we serve. I hope to make a difference meal for East Africa. I have a friend in Ethiopia who's making a difference meal, possibly an Ethiopian version, and we'll just continue to pack dry meals that can save lives and really help people save money too. So one kind of inspirational thing I was thinking about with these is, what if people just replace one fast food meal every week with one difference meal? They're eating a healthy, high protein meal. It's cheap and they're saving money that they could be giving to charity or maybe just supporting their local church or something else. So difference meals coming soon. Oh yeah, and one more thing. Gotta say hi to the baby. Hi, Ellie. If you'd like me to come to your church and tell you about the difference meal, and maybe you guys want to start packing these at your church, I would love to do that and get on the schedule and come and share about the power of dry packed meals and how you can get volunteers together to make these types of things. So reach out to me if you'd like to talk about that. And yeah, or if you want to just send me a message, I'm happy to discuss the difference meal on Facebook with you too. Take care, guys. God bless.